Alright, so guess what happened? I forgot to bring my SD card. So, I'm using my phone right now, and that's all I have, so we're gonna have to stick with it. Alright, today is pretty much a fifth day of my classroom makeover. It's the first day that teachers go back. Let me show you what I've done so far. Well, I haven't done anything with that. The poster's coming along. I got one more row to put up, and then I am done with the poster. Let me know down below what you think about it. I need to mop my room because I made a big mess back there. The desk is looking good. I just got to set it up, arrange all the desk back to how I want it to be for open house. And that's about it, guys. To be honest, I need to put the pictures back there. Again, I'm not sure how much I can vlog given that I only have my phone, but you know, we'll see. Again, everything's looking pretty good. I love that poster, man. And we have a faculty meeting at 2:15. So again, I'm just gonna go back to work. I will keep you updated on what else I do. Alright, we just got back from lunch. We went to my coworker's house again, the one we went to yesterday. So again, I'm just gonna get back to work. I have an hour and 15 minutes before the faculty meeting begins, and I'm gonna try to get as much of this mess cleaned up as possible. So stay tuned. Alright guys, done with day 5. Sorry for the lack of vlog footage. You know, it was just I didn't have my camera. Actually, I did have my camera. I forgot to bring my SD card. So, you know, I did not vlog much. Almost done with the room. I'm not going to show it to you just yet because I want to save it till I do the full reveal. But it looks amazing, if I may say so myself. Again, I think it came out looking really good. Still a bunch of like cleaning and small stuff that I have to do. But once I get done with that, we should be ready to go. Alright, so I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Alright guys, day 6. I honestly only have an hour because the rest of the day, we have not a faculty meeting. We have the leader and me training, and that's gonna be from 3 all the way up to 4. So real quick, all I want to do today is clean off these desks right here. Again, I want to wipe them down, and I want to put these letters on my desk, and that's it. Alright guys, done with this vlog. Again, I'm going to show you around. I'm sorry we didn't have the classroom tour today. But again, like I said, it was basically the leader and me from 8 o'clock all the way up to 3 o'clock. Okay, I know I said 4 at the start of the video, but you know, it only lasted till 3. Tomorrow, our classroom tour will probably be on Friday. Tomorrow, I need to take down my bulletin boards. Let me show you what I mean. I need to redo this board right here and the one outside my room, and that's about it. Alright, you know what? I'll show you one thing, and that's about it, which is this right here. Yeah, one of my co-workers gave me that about a year ago. I just never put it up, but I think it looks pretty good. And I put some lights on it, so I'll show you the lights too. Again, it looks much better when I turn off the lights. Can't really see it through the camera. Alright, so I'll catch you guys again tomorrow. And enjoy your day. Alright, real quick, I'm back home. I'm editing the video right now. I just wanted to make a quick outro for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Like the video if you found something that you thought was useful or creative, or you just liked something I did. If you feel the need to dislike the video, let's go ahead. It's America. You can do what you want. Comment down below on anything you want me to see, anything you like, just anything in general. I want to hear your comments. I want to interact with you. And finally, subscribe, because you know I really appreciate all the subscriptions that I'm getting. That's about it. Again, elementary school teachers, I'm going to be posting another video here soon. Watch out for that. Just a message to you guys. And that's about it. Again, sorry for the lack of footage. It's just been a hectic past 2 days, and I'm just trying to get everything through. I'm just trying to get everything done. Okay, but I do appreciate it. I'm still going to try to pop out as many vlogs as I can. I'm trying to show you into my classroom, but I do appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys again tomorrow.